दागा था सीधा निशाना ऑन बॉलीवुड फॉर नॉट लेंडिंग her their support. एंड इस बयान के बाद बहुत सारे बॉलीवुड सेलिब्रिटीज अब सामने आए हैं अपना सपोर्ट दिखाने के लिए, लेकिन किसने क्या कहा, लेट्स टेल यू।
कंगना के फियर्स स्टेटमेंट के बाद बी टाउन से अनुपम खेर, तनुश्री दत्ता और मोनी रॉय ने कंगना की तारीफ करते हुए दिखाया है इस अंदाज में उनके लिए अपना सपोर्ट। Gunjan, talking about Kangna Ranaut, a queen in true sense. You know, she's self-made. वो किसी भी Bollywood industry के किसी भी fancy name के साथ नहीं जुड़ी हुई हैं. She is definitely self-made. And on top of that, मणिकर्णिका जैसा बड़ा project उन्होंने handle किया है as an actor, as a co-director. And obviously, you know, जितनी भी बार हमने screening देखी है इस फिल्म की हुई है, वहाँ पर Bollywood celebrities ना के बराबर ही दिखाई दिए थे. But the box office of the film is speaking out for itself. And let's not forget Anupam Kher, an international star from India, has also come out and supported her, and he has said that she is actually a shining example of women empowerment. You know, यही होता है जब आप अपने आप को prove करके दिखाते हैं. A senior actor such as Anupam Kher has also come out and supported her in his tweet.
Exactly, she's called out for the support जो उनको नहीं मिल रहा था. कभी-कभी बोलते ना, अगर आप मांगेंगे नहीं तो मिलेगा कैसे. I think if she had expectations, she did call out people कि अगर आप support दिखाना चाहते हैं, there's no better time. But now, and the fact is कि एक इंडस्ट्री जिसमें कोई रूल्स एंड रेगुलेशंस नहीं है, जहाँ पर आगे बढ़ने के लिए लाइक यू सेड देयर इज अ फैंसी सरनेम दैट यू नीड. एंड कंगना के अपने शब्दों में उन्होंने कहा है कि बहुत ज़्यादा जी हजूरी करनी पड़ती है, एंड क्योंकि शी हैज़ हर ओन ओपिनियन, देयर लॉट ऑफ टाइम शी गोज ऑन द अदर एक्सट्रीम ऑफ द स्टिक. एंड तनुश्री दत्ता ऑल्सो केम आउट इन सपोर्ट एंड शी सेड कि कंगना इज अ A++ लिस्ट एक्ट्रेस. एंड शी सेड कि एक्स्ट्रा प्लस इसलिए क्योंकि बिना किसी सपोर्ट के, बिना किसी रिकमेंडेशन ऑफ अ A-list मेल स्टार उन्होंने अपना एक परफेक्ट, अपना एक नाम बनाया है. एंड शी इज़ नॉट अनरियलिस्टिक, परफेक्ट, प्योर और द पायस फसाड जो बहुत सारी बॉलीवुड एक्ट्रेसेस रखती हैं ऑन स्क्रीन या ऑफ स्क्रीन, वो उसमें भी नहीं बनती हैं. लाइक शी इज़ ओके टू बी रॉन्ग एट सम टाइम्स.
Right, and you know, it's not just Tanushri Datta and Anupam Kher. We are going to talk about Moni Roy, you know, another really big name from the industry. Although उन्होंने अभी अपना debut किया, but she's also a very popular actress. And when she saw Manikarnika, she had nothing but praises for Kangna. Well, this is what she tweeted. She said, "Finally saw Manikarnika, and I was blown away. Kangna is beauty and fearlessness personified. Every frame is poetry in motion." It actually means that बहुत ही अच्छी फिल्म बनी होगी. And you relive Manu's journey with the storytelling and her eyes. Also, big congratulations to Ankita. Well, here it is, you know, जहाँ पर आपने इतनी ज़्यादा मेहनत की और लोगों ने देखा और पसंद किया और सराहा. And I don't think इससे बड़ा जवाब जो है वो naysayers को दे सकते हैं.
Absolutely, but here जहाँ पर बॉलीवुड इंडस्ट्री अपना सपोर्ट दिखा रही है, the cast of the movie, the people who were actually related to the movie beg to differ. Whether it was Sonu Sood or the director of the movie Krish या फिर अब मिष्टी चक्रवर्ती, the other actress, they think that उनके roles को compromise किया गया इस movie में. And in a short bit, Mishti will be joining us to tell us her side of the story. Like we mentioned, हमारे साथ the actress Mishti Chakrabarti has joined us in the studio today. She's playing the role of Kashi Bai in the movie Manikarnika. Yes. Welcome to the studio.
Thank you.
So tell us more about the kind of films that you've done.
The kind of films, I've done all kinds of films, you know. My first film in Bollywood was that called Kanchi. Kanchi was the one directed by Subhash Ghai. It did not do that well in the box office. I don't mind if you don't know.
तो पहली मूवी सुभाष घई के साथ थी,
right.
उसके साथ आपने ओपनिंग की, उसके बाद किस तरह के प्रोजेक्ट्स
Okay, then I have done a lot of films down south, almost 10 films in all the 4 languages. And other than that, you know, in Hindi, my last movie was Begum Jaan. Begum Jaan with Vidya Balan and Srijit Mukherjee was the director of that. And yeah, so that's it.
Wow. So when Manikarnika was offered to you, how were you approached for the role? और क्या आपसे कहा गया था कि काशी बाई का रोल किस तरह का होगा? And did you initially just take it or did you give it a thought?
Okay, so the one person who approached me was Kamal Jain, who is the producer of our film, and he just called me one fine day and he told me that, you know, I want you to play this character called Kashi Bai in Manikarnika. So yes, I was a little hesitant. It's not about being the lead or not lead, but obviously as an artist, everybody will be careful before choosing any character. You know, I need to know, like, you know, whether it has something to give me or I have something to give it to the character, you know. It was like that.
So you were not very confident about the size of the role?
it's not about the size of the role. It's about the content of the role. Okay. So, but then Kamal sir explained to me that this is one character that is there from the first to the last, and he explained me that what are the kind of scenes that I'm going to have. He explained me all the scenes that are going to be there in the film, which includes highly emotional scenes, which includes
Some fight scenes also.
fighting scenes, horse riding, and a lot of other things. And the main part of this character was the emotional side of the girl. So that is what was explained to me, and I was quite convinced in that.
Okay, so when जब आपने इसके लिए preparations start की या shoot start की, while shooting, how did you feel? Like as an actor, did you feel absolutely content that okay, I've picked up a good project for myself?
Okay, initially for 2-3 days I was not that comfortable, little unsure, I would say. Okay, but then as the movie picked up and Krish was the director, and then he had shot some beautiful, wonderful scenes with me, and then I was pretty confident because I had been a Kangna's admirer for quite some time before I did this movie. So it was I was quite happy to be playing this part alongside her, and then we almost completed the movie and I thought that I was pretty content with what I had shot.
Right, but recently आपने ये statement दिया कि अब आप मूवी के end result के साथ खुश नहीं हैं. You're not happy जिस तरह से आपका रोल मूवी में सामने आया है. The end result is not what you're happy with. तो कहाँ पर क्या प्रॉब्लम थी या मिसकम्युनिकेशन हुआ, और where did you think चीज़ें खराब हो गई?
छोटी सी बात का बतंगड़ तो मैंने बनाया ही नहीं. The allegations that were put to us, to me, to Krish, to Sonu Sood, and a lot of other people, that we are trying to sabotage the film, is a very wrong and harsh allegation to put. Because if you see at this entire scenario, have you ever heard me saying anything against the film? I always said that it's a beautiful film, and it's a beautiful subject to work on. But of course, as an artist, I felt that my interest was hampered, and I have every right to speak on that because that's my individual interest. Okay, I'm not talking as a whole. As a whole, it's a beautiful subject. I'm still proud of the film.
And हो सकता है कि उन्होंने sabotage इसलिए कहा हो because आप सब ने जब इस problems के बारे में बात करना शुरू किए, that's after the release of the movie. She also is saying कि आपने final product देखने के बाद क्यों नहीं बोला?
Kangna is not the person that I am supposed to speak to regarding all these things. I am supposed to speak to the director. I'm supposed to speak to the producer. Okay, and the allegations of sabotaging the film, I think, is a very convenient way to shift the focus from what we are trying to convey.
But Kangna also has directed the film, और जैसा कि आपने कहा in the beginning जब आपको approach किया गया था, although not the lead, लेकिन क्या आपसे कहा गया था कि आपके रोल का ड्यूरेशन जैसे 10 मिनट है या 15 मिनट है?
नहीं, मुझसे ये कहा गया था that this is there throughout. She is Kangna's झांसी की रानी का main confidant, and she's there throughout. And it's also not about the time. I don't mind if I have a 5 minutes character, but I know that I had shot some beautiful scenes. If you take that away from me, it's just like Kangna has worked so hard here. I have also worked hard. I had given my dates when somebody from my family was in the deathbed. I lost my father during the course of the film, and while he was ill, I was shooting for this film because Kamal Jan was continuously calling me for dates. Okay. So, I have also worked hard. I've given my time. I have sacrificed on my loved ones for this, okay? Right. So, if that is taken away from any artist, even if he or she is a no one, even if he or she is a junior artist, doesn't matter. Hard work सबका same होता है. कोई level पे पहुँचता है, कोई नहीं पहुँचता. It's about luck and it's about chance. But you cannot, if somebody takes away that hard work from me, without... while constantly lying to me.
Right.
That's my point, Initially, yes, Kangna had directed the film towards the end because she wanted to. But then, I think एक आर्टिस्ट को कभी ये मेरा मानना है, इट्स नॉट नेसेसरी दैट एवरीबडी विल अग्री टू इट, बट मेरा मानना है कि कोई भी आर्टिस्ट को एक डायरेक्टर पे हावी नहीं होना चाहिए। आप जब स्क्रिप्ट उनके साथ डिस्कस कर रहे हो, आप उसी वक्त पे समझ सकते हो कि आपको इस डायरेक्टर पे भरोसा है कि नहीं है। अगर नहीं है तो उनके साथ फिल्म करो मत। लेकिन टुवर्ड्स द एंड ऑफ द फिल्म यू कैन नॉट से दैट आई वॉजंट हैप्पी विद दिस डायरेक्टर, आई एम गोइंग टू डिस्कार्ड द एंटायर थिंग दैट द डायरेक्टर हैज़ डन एंड आई एम गोइंग टू मेक इट माई way according to my
Right.
sensibilities.
Okay.
And I was supposed to work with Krish as the director. I wasn't supposed to work with Kangna as the director. I never knew Kangna was the director. Once suddenly on the set, Kamal sir tells me, so Krish is not there, Kangna is going to be the director from today. So anybody will be shocked.
Right.
Anyone will be shocked. I did not speak before the release of the film because I watched the film just 5 days before the release, okay?
Right.
And after that I was really upset. And I also did not intend to speak, but people started calling me, a lot of journalists started calling me after Krish had taken my name in his interview, okay?
Right.
So I don't know why he took my name after, maybe he did not see the film, just like I did not see the film. I did not know. I had dubbed for the entire thing that I had shot for. I didn't even know what is going on.
आपने कभी क्रिश से क्रिश जगलामुड़ी द डायरेक्टर ऑफ द फिल्म, कभी आपने खुद उनसे अप्रोच करने की या बात करने की कोशिश की जब फिल्म में ये बदलाव आया कि
मुझे
उनकी
तो पता
जगह
ही नहीं
कंगना
था
आ
कि
गई
फिल्म
थी?
में बदलाव आ रहा था, या उनकी जगह जब
आने के बाद?
राइट आने
जी।
के बाद आई मेट हिम इन द एयरपोर्ट एंड आई आस्क्ड हिम दैट यू नो सर व्हाई आरंट यू देयर ऑन द सेट्स, यू नो लाइक it's a lot of unsurety. Okay, so he was like there are a lot of things, Mishti, we'll talk about it later. He also wasn't willing to speak, and maybe he was also, I think, if a person is constantly bullied, he will be upset about it, and it's in this industry it's not easy to speak always in the correct time.
Right.
You
So
know?
are you trying to say that Kangna is the reason कि आपके इतने सारे scenes cut out हुए from the movie?
जैसे कि मैंने बोला कि एक आर्टिस्ट फिल्म साइन करने से पहले डायरेक्टर के साथ बैठ के बात करता है कि मेरा कैरेक्टर क्या होगा, क्या
Right.
नहीं होगा। तो वो मौका मुझे डेफिनेटली कंगना के साथ नहीं मिला, ना उनका कभी कोई ऐसा इंटेंशन तक था कि वो हमें वो मौका दे।
Right. कंगना ने एक और एक कमेंट दिया है बॉलीवुड के ऊपर कि कैसे हर कोई उनके ऊपर हावी होना चाहता है, हर कोई उनके अगेंस्ट है, एंड शी वांट्स टू एक्सपोज देम एंड शी वांट्स कि सब एक मूवी बना ले उनके खिलाफ।
उनके खिलाफ क्यों कोई मूवी बनाएगा? पहली बात तो मैं ये कह दूं कि बहुत लोगों को ऐसी खुशफहमी है कि पूरी दुनिया जो है उन्हीं के इर्द गिर्द घूम रही है। ऐसा नहीं है, हर कोई अपना अपना काम कर रहा है। दे आर द ए लिस्टर्स जिन पे एलिगेशन लगाया जाता है कि दे आर गैंगिंग अप अगेंस्ट समवन। सो बेसिकली दे आर ऑल्सो मेकिंग वेरी गुड मूवीज़, दे आर बिजी विद देयर ओन वर्क। मुझे नहीं लगता किसी के पास इतना टाइम है कि एक इंसान के पीछे पड़ जाए और उनको लाइक हम लोग गैंग अप करें उसके अगेंस्ट, उसका बुरा करें। ऐसा कौन करता है? एवरीबडी इज़ प्रोफेशनल, एंड देन देयर आर पीपल लाइक मी, according to Kangna, like nobody knows me, like I have done nothing. So हमारी तो आधी ज़िंदगी इसी में गुजर जाती है कि लोग हमें जाने, हम अपना काम करें। तो हमारे पास तो और टाइम नहीं है कि किसी के खिलाफ गैंग अप करें। So the thing is that you should not have this idea that the entire world revolves around you, because clearly it doesn't. Nobody has the time to gang up against you. And also, having said that, about my character in the film, I think other than what I have said, Kangna herself has accepted that she has made the film according to her own sensibilities, and she was at power, and she has used her power to mold it the way she wants, and I think that is fair enough. She has the power and she has the right to use it the way she wants. And yes, I must say that I am kind of inspired by her, because the way she says, I must give it to the confidence of that woman, like the way she says that people should be inspired by her. Yes, people should be inspired by her with all the struggles that she come up, and the place where she has reached with her talent and her hard work. Like I really wish that someday I be inspired by her, and someday I also have such kind of power at my command. But then I really hope that when I have power at my command, I use that power to help my fellow co-stars and my juniors. And like I'm sure I hope that I don't use that power to humiliate people.
देखिए कंगना का ये भी कहना है कि काफ़ी सेलिब्रिटीज़ जो हैं उन्होंने फिल्म को भी और कंगना को भी एज एन एक्टर सपोर्ट नहीं किया ड्यूरिंग मनी करने का। उन्होंने कई बार कॉल आउट किया है काफ़ी लोगों को, इवन लेट्स से फॉर एग्जांपल आलिया भट्ट। तो आपका क्या कहना है, आपका क्या मानना है कि क्या वो सही है ये बोलने में कि उन्हें सपोर्ट नहीं किया गया?
या एनी सेलिब्रिटी, जो लोग आपको दूर से जानते हैं वो आपको बहुत एडमायर करते हैं और आपके काम को बहुत पसंद करते हैं, बट द मोमेंट दे नो यू एज अ पर्सन दे विदड्रॉ फ्रॉम यू। व्हाट कैन बी द रीज़न? अगर आप आलिया भट्ट की बात करो तो शी इज़ सो बिजी विथ हर थिंग्स, विद प्रमोशंस ऑफ गली बॉय एंड ऑल। इट्स क्वाइट पॉसिबल कि एक फिल्म उन्होंने नहीं देखी हो, आज नहीं तो कल शायद देखेगी, यू नेवर नो। मतलब हो सकता है वो देखे और उसके बारे में स्टेटमेंट भी दे, बट देन यू कैन नॉट put an allegation on somebody you didn't watch my film.
मिष्टी, यहाँ पर हमने काफ़ी प्लान बॉलीवुड हैज़ काइंड ऑफ बिन द प्लेटफॉर्म जहाँ पर हमने काफ़ी सीरियस चीज़ों के बारे में बात की, बिकॉज बॉलीवुड इंडस्ट्री फाइनली इज ओपनिंग अप अबाउट अ लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स एंड वन ऑफ दोज बीइंग द मी टू मूवमेंट। नाउ यू मेड योर फर्स्ट मूवी, जो आपका डेब्यू हुआ था वो सुभाष घाई की मूवी के साथ हुआ था, कांची, एंड सुभाष घाई हैज़ ऑल्सो बिन involved in one of the cases जहाँ पर one of the actresses, few of the actresses actually जो आई थी सामने और उन्होंने कहा कि allegations सुभाष घाई पर लगे। We want to know that you have worked with him firsthand.
Yes.
What do you think about these allegations?
Frankly, Subhashji loved me a lot. He doted on me. He treated me as his family member. I was friends with his daughter. I was friends with his little dog. I was very close to his wife. So it was like a family to me. I haven't faced anything like that. And I have been really blessed that way. Either with him or with so many other people that I've worked with, I've never faced anything like that. But that doesn't mean that I'll write off others' experiences, हर किसी का experience अपनी जगह होता है, like that.
मी टू मूवमेंट जिसके बारे में आप बात कर रहे हैं, दिस वाज एक्चुअली क्रिएटेड जिससे कि जो वर्क प्लेस है, स्पेशली फॉर अस वुमेन, इट कैन बिकम सेफर, एंड बॉलीवुड इंडस्ट्री हैज़ बिन नोटोरियसली नोन टू बी नॉट वेरी सेफ, एंड दैट इज़ वाई हमने सडनली इतनी सारी औरतों को, इतने सारे एक्चुअली मेन को भी सामने आते हुए देखा अबाउट दीज हॉरिबल स्टोरीज दैट हैड हैपेंड विद देम। बट डिड इट एवर हैपन टू यू?
No, Me Too has never ever happened to me.
Thank you so much, Mishti. We can only wish you all the best, and I'm sure we can see you in Manikarnika, and people can see the heart and with the drive that you've played the role, and I hope they still see you in many more projects that are yet to come. So all the best for that.
Thank you.
प्लान बॉलीवुड में अब वक्त हो चुका है एक छोटे से ब्रेक का। ब्रेक के उस पार we will be decoding the star statement of your favorite celebrities. So stay tuned.
Welcome back after the break. Style Today में आज हम बात करने वाले हैं शिखा कोहली से, and she's going to tell us about Ranveer Singh's this really fascinating, fabulous look. What is it all about?
So Ranveer was seen in two looks. The first look that I want to talk about is one that had a lot of memes around it as well. People said he looked like a character from Monster Inc. He was seen wearing a really nice, almost pistachio green, pastely green color coat, fur coat. It was really, gregarious. Very similar to how his personality is. It had a lot of patchwork on it. It was a custom Manish Arora jacket. It also had Gully Boy written on one side of the sleeve, and it had these like cartoon patchworks all over it, which looked really cool. Again, I say this again and again when I talk about Ranveer's look. It's a look that only he can carry off, and I don't think anyone else can, really dare to try the look. I like the fact that he let the fur jacket be the statement of the entire outfit, and he paired it with a white turtleneck and a pair of white pants. Because had he worn print or something crazier inside or a louder color inside, then this outfit would have not worked. But the fact that he wore a white turtleneck and a pair of white pants, and then on top of that he wore the fur jacket, I think 2 thumbs up for him for doing that. And he rocked it like a boss, and I think those sunglasses looked super cool. His hair looked really nice, and he looked amazing.
And then staying with Ranveer Singh, वो हमें दिखे एक red carpet event पे where he's in the Berlin Ale Festival. His movie Gully Boy is getting premiered there, and he was wearing this animal print pantsuit, right? And again, amazing colors. What do you have to say about this look?
So again, like the previous look where he wore a white turtleneck and white pants and a statement jacket on top of that, over here he's seen wearing a Tom Ford look where he wore a black turtleneck with black pants, and then he wore this pink colored Tom Ford jacket that was animal print on top of that. So similarly in this outfit as well, what worked is the fact that he kept it monotone on the inside and let the jacket be the statement. He styled his hair really well to go with the entire look. And I like the fact that he paired it with quirky glasses, and he wore it with a pair of boots instead of wearing like lace-up shoes or loafers or anything like that. He wore it with a pair of boots that had a little bit of heel on them as well. I really like the entire look. Looks really nice. The colors pink suits him really well. He can carry it off really well.
Wow. Well, moving on and talking about the street style moment of the day, there is Alia Bhatt, and she's looking as ravishing as ever.
Right, so Alia again was at the Berlin Nail Festival, and she was seen wearing a Moschino pantsuit over here. It's a look that we've also seen Gigi Hadid wear, and it's from Moschino's collection that was a huge hit. The whole idea behind the collection was, when it was presented, was that the collection was not ready, so the designer has to present their sketches. That's how the show started. Right. So that's why you can see the scribblings on the pantsuit and the sketching on the pantsuit, because the whole idea behind it was that, oh, my collection's not ready in time, so I'm presenting models walking down in sketches. And I think it's a really tricky thing to pull off. It's a very unusual print, but Alia styled it really well. I like the fact that she paired it with a pair of white heels, and she kept the hair straight and simple, wore minimal makeup, and she looked great. And the fact that she's become so petite now, the cut and the oversized fit of the suit kind of really complemented her body. So I think she was looking really nice over here, and I preferred her over Gigi.
Whoa.
Wow, that's a big statement to make. But thank you so much, Shikha. And that also brings us to the end of this segment. I hope you took down your notes for your next day out. Well, this is me, Gunjan Saini and Rishita Singh saying bye for today. You keep watching Zoom, Style by Myntra.